If there ever was a time to dress up and go out for no reason, now is the time. Spring is here, outside's opening back up. Too many of us have been locked up in the crib due to this pandemic. It's time to let your hair down for those of us who do have hair. But before you do, watch this video. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Fit Man Style channel. My name is Ian. Before we move forward, comment, share, subscribe. I truly appreciate it. I bring you style content relevant to the fit muscular man. So let's get into it. Yeah, you should dress well to go outside, but it has to make sense to you, because what's for everybody, what's for the masses ain't really for us. We as fit muscular men, we have our own segment and style. So in this video, I'm gonna bring up 5 things that you should consider purchasing in the spring, summer, and moving forward that you may not have considered, or you may have considered in the past. But here are my thoughts on things that would be appropriate for us as fit men. Number 1 on the list is unstructured jackets. Now, I think the noise on unstructured jackets for fit men should be a little bit louder, because this is ideal for us. So if you're big up top, big on the shoulders, wearing a jacket that has some structure to it, some padding, I mean, first of all, it would exaggerate your shoulders. And even if you do taper it on the side, it will still give you a boxy, stiff look. Whereas with an unstructured jacket that has little to no padding, preferably no padding on the shoulders, it would just naturally sit there and complement what you have. One thing I've also noticed with unstructured jackets is the cotton usually comes with a blend of another fabric that stretches, so some kind of spandex. So your arms don't feel restricted in the sleeve. It can easily stretch with your biceps, and you can easily move with the jacket as well. Another beautiful thing about unstructured jackets is that the lining, it can either be no lining or half lining. Now, the lack of lining, it just creates more breathability with the jacket, so you don't sweat as much. Number 2 on the list is the vest or waistcoat. Now, I think the vest or waistcoat is a hidden gem for us fit men, because it's so ideal for us. The vest or waistcoat, it's like, you don't want to dress up, with a suit or a jacket, but you still want to look dapper, but you don't want to overdo it, but you still want to look fly with a shirt and tie, maybe not with a jacket. Vest or waistcoat comes into play and is ideal for us. Now, what is the difference between the two? Well, simple. The waistcoat has a lapel and the vest doesn't. The lapels can either be, a peak, a notch, or a shawl lapel. I prefer the waistcoat over the vest because to me, it adds a little bit more character to the vest, having the lapels there, and it's a little bit more dapper for me as well. Now, piggybacking on the first point, it doesn't have any restriction to it. So if you have big arms and you have an issue fitting into jackets because of your arms, a vest or waistcoat will be great for you. You can wear it and still look fly and dapper. Number 3 on the list, is there a name for this? I call it an alternative to chinos and jeans. So one thing that this pandemic has taught us is that when it comes to clothing, you gotta be comfortable. A lot of us were working from home, you hardly went outside. So whatever you're wearing, you gotta be comfortable wearing it. These pants that I got them pre-COVID. It's from a company called Public Rec, and I did a review of them a while back. So I'm gonna put a link up so you guys can check them out. These pants have a ridiculous stretch to them. So for those of us who have big legs, big quads, big glutes, and you might even feel it a little bit constricting, even wearing the chinos and jeans that stretch a bit, these may be great for you. And the beautiful thing about it is they are versatile. I have dressed them up, I've dressed them down. I've wore them to work and I've wore them to the gym. So consider wearing these pants, whatever they're called. They give your legs unbelievable stretch. They stretch with your legs. However you move them, it will move with you. But those type of pants may be a little bit on the casual side for you. You still like wearing your slacks. Cool. Number 4, fuller cut pants. Now, I saw this trending pre-COVID and I hope it continues post-COVID, but I love fuller cut pants. They come in either flat front or pleated. If you are a fan of this channel, you know I love my pleated pants. They just give you, a lot of room around the thighs and the butt as well. I also prefer my fuller cut pants to be full all the way down the leg. Now, you can taper that if you take it to a skilled tailor, keyword, skilled tailor. They can make sure that the thighs still get a little bit of room and the butt as well, but as the leg goes down from the knee downwards, they can taper that as well. I would rather you get fuller cut pants and taper the leg than getting slim fit pants, because even if you go up a size, slim fit is slim all the way around from the waistband down to the ankle. So that may not be the best option for you. But again, you got to do what's best for you. You got to try which one works. I prefer and I recommend fuller cut pants because I've seen it work for me and other fit muscular men out there that have some pretty big legs. Last but not least, number 5 on the list, suit separates. So if you go into a store and you pick up a suit from a rack, it's gonna come with a 6-inch drop. So the jacket size could be a 46, but the waist on the pants will be a 40. That may not work for you depending on your physique. Take me for example, I would wear a 46 jacket, but my waist is more like a 36. So that definitely is not a 6-inch drop. So in my case, I definitely go for suit separates. So if you are shopping for a suit, ask the salesperson if they offer suit separates to accommodate your upper body and your lower body as well. The suit that I got from Spear McKay, it's a suit separate. Usually their suits do come with a 6-inch drop, but before I made my purchase, I made a comment to them saying that, hey, can you switch out the pants for a smaller size? So that's what they did. They gave me a 40, I believe it was a full 46 jacket and a 34 or 36 waist. So suit separates is great for a fit man whose chest and torso, may be bigger. You may have that inverted V shape and you have a smaller waist. I would definitely recommend you go for suit separates. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you picked up something that you can take with you moving forward in the spring and summer season. I know I'm looking forward to purchasing a couple of garments that I hope to review for you guys. A couple of brands that I wanted to review last year during the whole COVID thing, but sometimes you got to read the room. It may not be the right time to talk about certain things while people are going through a global pandemic. But hopefully in the next few months, I will be talking about certain brands that I wanted to last year, but I will be doing it this year. Again, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts down below. What would you recommend moving forward this spring and summer season and fall as well? I would love to hear your thoughts. I will catch you guys in the next video. Same time, same place. And as always, stay fly and stay fit.